Hey there, we are in week 5 unit tests and today I am going to deal with the second problem back to the bank. Here is the problem. In a file called bank.py, re-implement Home's Federal Savings Bank from problem set 1. So this was the problem set 1. Restructuring your code as per the below, wherein value expects a star as an input here and returns an integer, namely 0 if a star starts with hello, 20 if a star starts with an H but not hello, or 100 otherwise, treating a star case insensitively. So whether the star is in uppercase or lowercase, you have to ignore that and you have to treat them equally. You can assume that the string passed to the value function will not contain any leading spaces. Only main should call the print. And finally, then in a file called test_bank.py, implement 3 or more functions that collectively test your implementation of value. So here I am into bank.py. Oh, let me first of all go to my original program. But before that, let me copy the pseudocode from here and paste it here. Now if I go to my original program, bank.py, let me open it over here. So I am going to write more or less the same stuff here. I am going to copy this line, put it under main, change grit to greeting, and I am converting it into lowercase, everything into lowercase, and stripping any leading or trailing white spaces. Then what I have to do here is that depending upon the greeting, whatever the greeting is, that need to be passed into a value. So here is this part. So let me go over here and say that my amount depends upon the value, and inside value I am going to pass this variable called greeting, and finally I am going to print the amount here using f string. Let me put here a dollar sign and amount. Inside the value, again going back to my original program, I am going to copy this whole line. Let me close the original program and come over here. So indentation, let's correct the indentation. Yeah, and because only main should call print, so I am going to change it to return. So if you come over here and check the hints, yeah, it says that take care to return, not print. Only main should call the print. So I am going to change all the print statements from here into a return statement, 20, and this should be return 100. And I believe that I have copied this line. If name is equal to main, then call main. And finally I need to change here from greet to greeting, because I am creating here the variable called greeting, so everywhere I have to change it greeting. So let me explain this code very quickly. If the greeting starts with hello, greet starts with, again it is a method that comes associated with strings. Strings have got 47 associated methods with them, out of which I have already created video about 27 most frequently used methods. I will give an iCard up above. You can check that video out. Now we are done with our main program bank.py. But before I jump to writing test_bank.py 3 or more test cases, I would like to draw your attention here that there are 3 very clear cut, very clearly demarcated test cases over here. Number 1, when the greeting starts with hello, the return value is 0. Second case is when the greeting starts with an H but it is not equal to hello, and the third case is otherwise. So I am going to create my test cases around these 3 scenarios only. In fact, even when I was writing twitter.py testing my Twitter, although there was no compulsion to write more than one test cases, I have shown you how to write more than one test cases. But here the CS50 is explicitly asking us to write at least 3 test cases. So let us jump here. First of all, I am going to import PyTest. Then from bank import value def main as always, and I am going to define test cases test hello. Then I am going to write test starts with h, and the third scenario is test others. Let us start writing these test cases. Test underscore hello, assert value hello, it should return 0. Then assert, let us say something like this. So let us put something in uppercase, because if you go to the problem here, it CS50 is saying case insensitive. It should be where it is here, you see case insensitively. So let us test that thing as well. Next is def test underscore starts underscore with h, assert value, let us say hey, and it should return 20. Assert value, so let's say hey David. Again I am using uppercase here. Def test others, that was our last. Assert value, let's say good morning, and it should be equal to 100. And if I can write something like this, good morning, let us say good morning to David, 100. After that, if underscore underscore name underscore is equal to underscore underscore main underscore, and then main. I think we have written all the programs, all the code. So let us jump here. I am not going to introduce any bugs into my bank.py. Instead, I am jumping straight away to the CS50 checks. I am just going to copy this line of code and paste it here. Let us see. I would like to inform you guys that I have been publishing Python related videos other than CS50 on my YouTube channel. I will share the link of that playlist also into the description box. You can go and check those videos out. All the results here are in green. It means that our both the codes have passed CS50 checks and we are good to submit it. If you find this video useful, consider giving it a like, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends who are pursuing CS50. Till that time, as always, happy coding.